Yeah, my name's Jake, and I own an exterior cleaning company called Diamond Exterior Cleaning. We focus mainly on pressure washing, window cleaning, and gutter clearing.
And how long have you guys been in business?
Not long, not long. I've only been going just over a year now. I started off predominantly on window cleaning as a way to get into the business, low cost startup. And then this year, as the weather's got a bit better, we're pushing the pressure washing a bit more. That's the direction I want to take the business in.
Oh, nice one. That kind of leads into why we kind of got in touch with each other in the first place. So
Yeah.
in terms of the marketing, what sort of stuff were you doing before we started working together? And did you have any specific challenges you were facing?
Yeah, so I was doing everything before, everything under the sun. Leafleting, Facebook. When you start, there's only so many friends and family that you can ask to go and clean their windows or do their patio or something. So when those ran out, I was kind of panic mode. I was like, oh God, what do I do now? So I started attempting Facebook ads. That's what all the online gurus tell you to do. So I ran some Facebook ads that weren't really successful. Thought, sod this, I'm going old school. Got a load of leaflets printed, went out every evening, putting those through doors, and those kind of worked, but just not to the extent I wanted and how fast I wanted to grow. So really, I tried pretty much everything. I did try Google Ads myself as well, went the same way as Facebook. I was just spending way too much money per customer, so it just wasn't really making sense for me. So hit that on the head. So yeah, I guess I've tried everything and everything worked to an extent, but not to the point I wanted it to.
Yeah, it didn't kind of reach its full potential of what you knew kind of was possible with it, right?
Yeah, it was more of a shotgun approach, like, throw a load of mud at the wall and see what sticks.
Yeah, sure. And you'd never really worked with any marketing companies before, anything like that, right?
No, I never worked with anyone before.
So were you a little bit apprehensive with joining and signing up? And
Yeah. So obviously, when we spoke, you came across as really helpful, but I was definitely skeptical. I thought, well, I've tried it and I'm great. Obviously, what are you going to be able to do that's better than what I can do? And there was some apprehension going into it, and you hear all these numbers thrown about what people are making and the return on investment for their ads and stuff like that, and it does make you a bit skeptical. So yeah, definitely a little bit of not worry, but second thoughts going in. But yeah, really glad I did.
yeah, amazing. And so what has your experience been like then since we started working together? I think it was back in May, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think it was early May. As it started to get a little bit warmer, we've still had rain since then, but we're in England. What can you expect? Yeah, overall really positive, Sam. Like, I've enjoyed it. Kind of blew me away with the results, really. We didn't spend that much in the grand scheme of things and managed to get a really good return. I think we spent less than £90 and got more than £1,400 worth of work in the first week we did together, which was crazy. And yeah, exactly what I wanted. It was better than what I wanted. And the ability to sort of now switch that on and switch that off with you tracking the metrics for me, it's great. Yeah, haven't got a bad word to say.
Oh, amazing. And so based on that great experience you just described, would you recommend Atomic Marketing to others? And if so, why?
Yeah, absolutely. I think from the start, you just came across as really friendly and wanting to help, regardless of whether I spent money with you or not, or decided to go ahead or not. You just seemed like you were out to help me, rather than seeing me as a sort of a figure and a cash cow. Obviously, like I said, we're quite a low budget campaign, and a lot of people could sort of turn their nose up at that or sort of seek out bigger fish. But I genuinely feel like I've been treated, as well as any of your clients could be. So really happy with the process so far, and yeah, going forward.